Friends co-creator Marta Kauffman reveals she regrets the lack of diversity on the show. Hey guys, welcome back to Shared News. Friends fans, we have a lot to talk about, but before we get into it, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Okay, so while Friends is beloved by so many people, including myself, from the days it was originally airing till now, the show has drawn criticism for its lack of diversity. David Schwimmer has previously commented on this. He said, quote, "I was well aware of the lack of diversity and I campaigned for years to have Ross State women of color. One of the first girlfriends I had on the show was an Asian American woman, and later I dated an African American woman. That was a very conscious push on my part." Lisa Kudrow has also expressed she thinks the show would be very different if it took place in 2020. She recently told the Sunday Times, quote, "Well, it would not be an all-white cast for sure. I'm not sure what else, but to me, it should be looked at as a time capsule, not for what they did wrong." One of the show's creators, Marta Kauffman, just emotionally explained to fans she regrets the lack of diversity while participating in an ATX television from the couch panel. She said, quote, "I wish I knew then what I know today. We've always encouraged people of diversity in our company, but I didn't do enough. Now, all I can think about is what can I do? What can I do differently? How can I run my show in a new way? That's something I wish I knew when I started show running." Marta is currently showrunning Netflix's Grace and Frankie, which, as we all know, features significantly more diversity than Friends did. All right, you guys, that's all the news I have to share with you. We want to know your thoughts, so let us know down in the comments. And before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and then click right over here to watch another new video. As always, I'm your host, Fiona Zaring, and I'll see you guys next time.